Sesame Street Cookie Monster's foodie truck. To start, press the play button. Hiya! What do you want to make? Go ahead. Click on yummy order.
For this recipe, we'll need flour, corn, eggs, sugar, salt, baking powder, milk, and oil.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing corn.
She wants to give missing corn.
Come on, let's drive to the farm. Click to start driving.
We're going to the farm.
Collect the coal. You a good collector. More.
Let's get cooking.
Make cornbread. First, put flour in bowl. Click to add flour.
Now we shook the corn.
Then put corn in
Next, add
bowl. Yep. Then add sugar. Yep. Next, add some baking powder. Yep. Then add some oil. Mix it all together.
stir, 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 stir. Then I put it into the oven to bake. Guns away. It's ready.
Now, it's time to send to.
Launch the catapult.
Here comes some cornbread, Big Bird.
What shall we make now?
Go ahead. Click on the food you want to make.
They want spring foods. The last one.
Yummy order.
For this recipe, we'll need bread, peanut butter, banana, and honey.
Uh-oh, look like we're missing banana.
Come on, we gotta go get some more.
To the banana farm.
We're going to the banana farm.
We on our way to the banana farm. Made it to the banana farm. Collect.
Yay, you got one. Now, let's make some food.
To make peanut butter banana. Oh, yeah. Then peel the banana. Cowabunga. Now add the honey. Oh, yeah.
And last but not least, I will put the bread on top. Gong time. It's ready.
Now it's time to send to.
Launch the catapult.
Enjoy you sandwich, Elmo.
And that's it.
Yeah.